Howdy everyone, this is Green Pine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Rye Heights in Houston, Texas. I'm at the Rye Heights in Houston, Texas. And I'm looking at just a gorgeous two-bedroom. This is the B1. I'm gonna walk through, just have a few highlights to show you about it. You're gonna love it. But I mean, the kitchen is a big highlight. It's just so crisp, clean, and beautiful. Look at the white that's here. Just a stunning, stunning white. Beautiful kitchen. It's got just gorgeous quartz countertops. I mean, just look at it from this distance. It just looks stunning. The lighting is really nice all the way through here. Really well lighted apartment. You've got an area for a desk. You've got just a gorgeous living room area. You do have a balcony that's over there. And in this case, it's facing out. Let's look at one. Yeah, let's look at this one over here. Sorry, look at this one. This is a queen bed. You easily have a king bed in here. This is a really big bedroom. Again, you're going to have a lot of windows in here, and you're going to have a beautiful, in the case of this one, look at this, dual sinks. It's just gorgeous. Really crisp, clean, beautiful bathroom. You're going to have a tub and a shower. Very well lighted. That's super, super cool. I love that about this apartment. It's so well lighted. I also love just the closet space. It's really nice in here too. It's a nice walk-in closet, good space. Hey, if you're interested in taking a tour of the Rye Heights, I'd highly recommend it. This is a new place. You're gonna have good specials typically here. And you're gonna get a new place in the Heights in a great area. The secret about new places is new places often are very similar in price to a lot of existing places that are 10 years old. It's just the new places appear to be higher, but they have specials that reduce the rent. So when you combine the specials with the price, you've got something usually pretty comparable to a 10 to 15-year-old apartment. So wouldn't you like to be in a new place like this in the Rye Heights? I would. Hey, send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, I want to do a tour here. I can't wait to see the Rye Heights. And if you want to do a live tour on your phone, or if you want to do a tour in person, I can take care of that. Also, if you want to do a tour of several apartments in the Heights, we can take care of that, and we'll do them all on the same day. That's my number below. Text me. I look forward to hearing from you.